So team, Wits E, where are we at? What's going on right now?
Well, there should be an open foam solver running. But it kind of
Wait.
But like,
Open foam on InfiniBand?
no, this is
Wait, how is that possible? Because when we talked Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday, open foam, that ain't no thing. We got open foam. That was done.
It was done.
You had that in the bank.
we did have it in the bank.
And so we're running it again now?
Well,
what
yeah,
happened?
so I don't know. MPI
Because
decided.
again, that was Monday, and then Tuesday, and
was
then
Monday, was
Wednesday,
it not?
and I could go back through the tape and show you where
All right.
you guys were all good on open foam.
We were good.
And then, but you
We're
weren't.
kind of semi-good right now,
But, no,
but
you weren't good. Because if you're doing it again now, I don't think that's good. Does that mean you're good? Is that the definition of being good? On open foam?
You asked me at all the wrong times, but
You have no opinion? So, what did happen? Why are we still doing this?
right. So we had a power failure.
What's that? What?
We had a
Power
power failure. Yeah, in the center.
Okay, power failure.
And we got like.
What were you doing when the power failed this
I
morning at
have no idea.
7:23? That
I've-
threw something.
There was something running on the cluster. I'm not quite
Yeah.
sure what, but there was
And did it
something.
explode.
Yeah,
or
and
something?
no, we just kind of switched on our machines again, and like
you
everything
rebooted.
was kind of like
Yeah.
sort of broken, and like
Now,
yeah.
and so that was that power outage just my room over there, and then your booth, or was that around a bigger extent?
I feel like it was everywhere.
Okay.
Yeah, we were in
so
this.
that they had to contend with all this too.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
But it
that
came
was
at a key critical moment for you.
yeah, which totally sucks. But I mean,
oh yeah, it's fate.
yeah.
Fate.
Well,
but then again, though, you guys had open foam in the bank. Remember? So
You could kind
that
of
should
say
have been
that.
Cool.
we should have been, but
And so,
well-
did you guys make the decision to go back and do it again, or did you really not quite have it in the bank? It's only one of those two.
Yeah,
There's
true,
no third
yeah.
possibility.
Well,
so which
there
one?
are-
It's A,
yeah.
you have it in the bank, and you decided to go back and do it again, just to see if you could go better. But you had it in the bank, or two, didn't really have it in the bank. There's one of those, one or two.
Yeah.
Which is it?
all right. Well, I can say that it's
No,
it's more the second one.
You didn't have it in the bank.
Well, I wouldn't put it quite so bluntly. We kind
But,
of
but no, it is blunt
Well-
because it's it's objective. It's 0 or 1.
I
Are you with
suppose.
me there?
I was actually going to ask you, do you guys recompile OpenFOAM completely, or are you just fixing it?
Yeah, it's more just fixing it, not really.
But
How long did it take you to compile it the first time?
We didn't. We used binaries.
okay.
Yeah.
They were done on the first day. It's just that the problem that they have to solve, that is taking very long. So OpenFOAM was compiled on the first day.
But no. Because the thing I'm getting at is I'm asking, have you run it, and is it ready to turn in? Tuesday, yeah. That's what I mean by in the bank. Yeah, no.
This is what I know.
Yeah, no, not so much. Mm. Okay. No, it's okay. It's okay. but here's. But here's where the brash. I know. But this is the brash confidence where it hits the reality.
Yeah, definitely,
and the horrible
certainly,
part
definitely,
of the student
definitely.
cluster competition.
Certainly,
'Cause
definitely.
You guys should have been rocking it on InfiniBand probably this morning, based on what we were talking about and where you guys were, right? Which would have
I
put you in the
suppose.
top echelon. And right now, how much longer do you have to go? Do you know? Can you even tell? Are you on the last problem?
Yeah, the last two. We're running them
Last two.
simultaneously. Yeah. If
I'm
we have
go-
time, perhaps for one benchmark, maybe.
I don't know. I think the InfiniBand's taken more than an hour for people to get up on.
Oh, really?
Maybe longer. Have you checked around?
Because we've prepared for it. Yeah. So
They're solving other things. The other team members are.
But they have to physically pull cards and run
Yeah.
cable and all that.
I suppose that's.
But that could take some time. So,
Yeah, we'll be cutting it real thin, I think.
well, it's
Yeah.
going to be cut exceedingly thin.
Oh yeah.
Yes. It's like that slice of ham that's so thin you can't even see it when it goes on the sandwich.
Exactly.
That's thin. But I
This,
mean,
this is what we're doing. This is
you're-
what this is about, is it not? I mean, you know.
Yeah,
Why would you cut it thick? What is that? No one does that.
It's kind of about that, but it's really more about getting the workloads done and such.
I suppose, yeah.
I mean, that's where the the grading of it comes in.
Certainly,
right?
yeah.
So you got to hope, you need help from somebody else if you guys are going to fulfill what you were saying was your German Frankfurt destiny.
Oh, really? We said that? Okay.
You did.
I feel like you just kind of added
You
that in,
sorta
Don.
did. And I might have added a little bit of that.
A little bit.
Sound good.
Bit.
And of course, I do have 64 gigabytes of tape. I can go back through and find it,
Oh, yeah.
or move it around a little to make it seem that way. But a couple of teams have got to stumble for you guys to have any shot at all.
Okay.
Possible.
It's
but-
possible. I mean, to be fair, open foam is just one of the benchmarks. I understand, the judging goes beyond that, so
It goes to the other benchmarks too.
yeah.
Into the interview, sure.
To the
Yeah.
interviews, to the,
But
to the
there's only
design and-
it's only 4 benchmarks, and it's tough if you're going to pull if you're not going to get one. I mean, you guys are going to get open foam in, right?
Yeah.
You got enough time for that. But then it's the whole slate of benchmarks over at Finaband
Yeah.
that we're running the risk of going zeros across the board there.
That's the sort of
That is
yeah.
the risk.
Yeah, exactly. So, I mean, yeah, it really is a tough one. Like
It is
exceedingly
a very
tough.
thin
Yeah.
bowl of gruel left.
Yeah.
But that's
Okay.
okay. You've learned a lot.
Certainly.
You've learned a lot.
Yeah.
You've,
exactly.
There's been much learning.
Oh yeah.
over
Oh
this,
yeah.
Right? And that's what we're here for. And to have fun. And to come back
Mostly.
and give you crap every time you made some prediction, doesn't come true, come back and just nail you to the wall. That's fun.
Fun?
Fun.
Oh, definitely fun.
You're kind of, I mean, you're their coach, but you're kind of smiling back. But that's part of the learning process.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's not always pleasant. It's not always pretty.
Oh yeah.
It's like the hyenas learning what you can do and can't do near a lion. Not always fun, but you see what happens and you move on from
Oh
there.
yeah.
But you guys have been good. It's been fun. Been a good
Yeah,
team.
I think in general, like on the whole, it's been, mostly a smooth ride. Like there've been
Oh,
a
it was-
few
it was
bumps, but
completely
like,
smooth. Oh,
yeah.
You started again.
Oh, yeah,
You started-
what?
oh, mostly, because you've been saying utterly smooth.
Oh, yeah,
Every time I
definitely.
talk, no bumps, no problems. It's all in the bank.
But to be fair,
No,
we
no,
don't know
no,
what
not to
the
be fair.
entire
Not
road
to be
looks
fair.
like.
To be
So
real, no, I've got it recorded. Everything's smooth. I might insert those. I
no,
might
that
just
was like
drop
the
those
trip up till then.
up until today. When
Yeah.
the power went out for everybody, and somehow you were harmed beyond anybody, except for me, who was shaving and.
So
Yeah.
to speak.
Yeah. Let's let cooler heads prevail.
Like what are these guys? We have a pretty much a talent for like knowing. Like there's been lots of problems even
Yeah.
from the beginning. Like all the issues that happened with the cluster. There's been lots of problems, but the way we work as a group, we just have this like innate ability to just pump each other up and make it
You
look
do.
easy.
You
It
pump each
wasn't
other
easy
up,
at all.
And your group dynamic has
know.
gone to the point where you have
Yeah.
your own reality, in fact, that is apart from the reality some of us may see in other places.
Yeah.
And that's a talent. That's a good thing. Nothing wrong with that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I feel like
No, you guys do get along. It's a fun group. And all the crap you're constantly blowing up my skirt, that was fun. But I just knew there'd be an opportunity. I knew that it was going to come. I've done this too many times. I just revel in that too. It's bad. It's a horrible character trait. It makes me just horrible to be around. But I just can't stop. I just love it so much. Yeah. But see what you get to, right? And get out that Infiniband, wire that bad boy up, and see what you can do. It's
Yeah,
worth
we're
a
gonna
shot.
try.
Don't stop.
We
Don't
won't give
say,
up. This
don't
one,
give up.
we don't give up.
So when we come back by here at 4:28,
Yep.
I'm going to be seeing Infiniband boxes, Mellanox boxes spread throughout here, right? I'm just saying. I mean, you're not going to give up.
We're
You're
not
gonna
giving up.
stop. You're not going to stop.
We're not giving up.
Okay.
We were.
Good.
Yeah.
Excellent. And we will be back to see. Thank you, guys.
Thanks.
What fun.